Starting an LLC for your Airbnb is a smart move if you want to protect your personal assets and separate your rental business from your personal finances. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set it up the right way. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique and not already in use in your state. You can check availability on your state's Secretary of State website. Your LLC name should include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization, which is the official document that creates your LLC. You can usually file online or by mail through your state's business portal. The filing fee varies by state. After forming your LLC, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Even if it's not legally required, this document helps outline how your Airbnb business will be managed and how profits or responsibilities are shared. Then apply for an EIN from the IRS. This employer identification number is free and necessary for taxes, opening a business bank account, and managing your Airbnb finances separately from your personal accounts. Finally, check your local regulations. Some cities have specific Airbnb rules or licensing requirements, and your LLC can make it easier to comply and keep your personal assets protected. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC for your Airbnb, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.